Hello, what's up? Welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ananya and in today's video I'm going to share my shaving routine with you guys. Yes, how to shave your face at home. So let's get started. If you have really acne prone skin, then please do not shave your face because it will create a lot of irritation and वो ज़्यादा infection हो जाता. Other than that, if you have oily skin or you have normal skin, you have dry skin, please go for it. Another point I would like to add that I do not shave my face regularly. I mean, like एक बार मैंने shave कर लिया, दूसरी बार मैं definitely waxing करती हूँ या फिर I go for like anything threading or anything of that sort. I do not continue with shaving. Like if you see other YouTube videos, people like other YouTubers, they really recommend you to shave your face regularly. I have done that. I have actually done that. But I noticed that my hair really became like very पोकी एंड डार्कर हो गया था. वो जैसे दाढ़ी होता है ना, वैसा हो गया था अगर आप कंटिन्यूसली आप शेव कर रहे हो तो. Okay, so what I do just to keep the balance ki again, like why do I shave then? Because shaving shave करने से आपका जो ऊपर का dead cells है वो पूरे निकल जाता है. So your face really becomes glowy. As you can see, I did my shaving in the morning and I'm shooting this video at night. So you can see there's a very healthy glow to your face. It feels like you have gone to a salon and did your facial routine. So it really makes your skin glow. Okay, so I really like to add this to my face care, kind of once in a month. That's it. Okay, so the face razor that I'm gonna be using or I have used today is from Let's Shave Evier razor. It's not visible because of the lighting. Yeah, you can use any of your preferred or razor or anything that you like or you have. That's completely fine. But also there's one particular brand which is really famous. The name is Tinkle. You are using it for the first time, then please do not go for that, because I did that in the past and what happened, I did cut my face. Okay, because the blade is really sharp, and if you don't know and if you're very new with this shaving routine, then you might cut yourself, right? So that's the only reason I wouldn't recommend you to go for that tinkle if you're a beginner. But yes, if you want to, then please go for it. No problem with that. It's very gentle on the skin, right? I didn't cut myself at all. Even like now when I use that tinkle razor, there are times when I just tiny bit, I just here and there I just cut myself. So yeah, but yeah, that's okay. If you're comfortable doing it, you can. No problem with that. Alright then, let's get started with the procedure. Before you begin your shaving routine, it is very important that you clean your face with a face wash so that there's no bacteria formation. Use my Bioderma H2O micellar water to remove any dirt, oil or excess makeup from my pores. In case you don't have micellar water or Bioderma, you may use your toner on a cotton pad and wipe your face. Then I'm applying the Nykaa acne facial oil because I have sensitive skin. You can use any facial oil of your choice, but make sure it is non-comedogenic. We just want it to act as a lubrication so that the razor glides on our face easily. Finally, I'm gonna take my razor and start shaving, but keep in mind there are 3 basic steps that you need to follow. Number 1, take your opposite hand and gently lift your skin so that you have a smoother surface and your razor glides on easily. Number 2, hold your razor at 45-degree angle. Number 3 is to shave in the downwards motion or in the direction of your hair growth. So when you get to your neck, push your head slightly back and stretching your jawline, tilting your head to the opposite side. In the end, I'm gonna take my razor again and shave in the opposite direction of my hair growth on the targeted areas. You can totally skip this step, but I like to have that extra precision. Also, one more thing I want to add is that I do not like to shave my sideburns. I mostly wax them or sometimes I go for threading. After cleaning my face, I'm gonna take a soothing toner and spray it all over my face and let it cool down for some time, and finally applying an antiseptic neem cream. You may also go for aloe vera or green tea gel. This is the final result. My skin feels extremely soft, supple and glowing. I completely love it. Also share your thoughts and experience about face shaving, and I shall see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.